I'm sure you all remember the other day when I showed you the Claren rums I got recently. Well, I got a nice comment from a viewer named Crcarlson with a suggestion for a tea punch variation. So I thought I would just give it a try, show you here on the channel. The drink consists of a lime coin, which I didn't have, so I used an orange, cinnamon syrup, and banana liqueur, which I did have, and rum, of course. Now, I mixed all this up in a glass with my beautiful rose-shaped ice. Gotta love that. So let's do it. Montage. Drink really is incredible. It's nicely sweet, balanced out. The cinnamon's really nice. The banana gives a little hint of fruitiness. And of course that rum is amazing. This funk.